I had a request for some help on taking the derivative of the absolute value of x squared minus 1. So here it goes. The thing to remember is we need to know the rule for taking the derivative of absolute values, and that is the derivative of the absolute value of anything is that thing over the absolute value of that thing. Okay, so I'm using x's here, but that x can represent anything. So all we're going to do is plug and chug. So to take the derivative of the absolute value of x squared minus 1, we just have x squared minus 1 over the absolute value of that stuff, x squared minus 1. Except this is calculus and nothing is ever perfectly simple, so we have to remember to use the chain rule. And the chain rule says after you do whatever little rule you've applied, then you have to take the derivative of the inside. So we need to multiply by the derivative of x squared minus 1. The derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of negative 1 is nothing. So effectively we've got x squared minus 1 times 2x all over the absolute value of x squared minus 1. And you can, if you like, distribute that 2x, but you don't necessarily have to. 2x cubed minus 2x over the absolute value of x squared minus 1. And either of these would be an acceptable final answer.